Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to make a website. First, you'll need to choose a reliable web host and register a domain name, which typically costs around $15 per year. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly simple. Once installed, you can access your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for managing your entire site. This initial setup is the foundation for building your online presence. Next, personalize your website by selecting a theme that reflects your brand or purpose. There are thousands of free and premium themes available, offering diverse designs. You can then customize its appearance, adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to match your vision. Additionally, install essential plugins to extend functionality, such as a contact form or an image gallery. These tools empower you to tailor your site without needing any coding knowledge. Now, let's create compelling content. WordPress distinguishes between pages for static information like an About Us section and posts for blog articles. Utilize the intuitive block editor to add text, images, videos, and other media seamlessly. Organize your content effectively using categories and tags, which helps visitors navigate your site and improve search engine visibility. Aim for clear, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Finally, prepare to launch and maintain your new website. Before going live, thoroughly review all pages and posts to ensure everything is perfect. Implement basic search engine optimization, or SEO, practices to help people find your site. Remember to regularly update WordPress core, themes, and plugins to maintain security and optimal performance. Consistent maintenance ensures your website remains fast, secure, and effective for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.